Trying to make that old sofa cool looking. Well, the ugly thing is that skirt. Plus, this one had a little rip in it already. So let's take it off using pliers, some scissors. Now pull that cording back and cut. Then use those pliers to grab that skirt and just start yanking it off there. You can benefit from this little twisty move that helps get those staples out. And just rip it all off there, okay? Then put yourself in fast forward and get it done a lot quicker. Now, when you're done, you'll have staples and fabric from the skirt. So take some needle nose pliers, preferably rusty, and just start pulling those little things out of there. Look, we're done. I cleaned it up and then wow, look, it's on the showroom floor. Doesn't it look great? If you disagree, I hate you. I'm not sure if you know me, but I'm crazy about flipping furniture on Facebook Marketplace. I came across this listing that was like, look, wicker stuff. And I was like, that little table's hella cute. I gotta get it. So I did. It cost me $25. Pretty good condition. Yeah, there's some chips, but guess what? I'm painting it anyway. I really racked my noggin on what color to paint it. So I decided to go with black. I see a lot of people paint this stuff white or brown, so I just wanted to do something different. Plus, I needed a color that was darker than the color that was already on there, so it just happened to work out. And then brown chicka wow yow cow, doesn't it look good? So I made a listing of my own on Facebook Marketplace. I added these two mid-century modern chairs that I got for a total of $40. So I'm $75 in on this, listed at $200. It's gonna sell, guys. You know it's going to. I mean, look, it's gorgeous. Follow me for more tips and tricks and flips.
I'm going to explain to you how I like to finish my outside arms. Once I've fixed the hessian in place, I like to frame the shape of the outside arm by using a single piping. Here I'm using a piece of cardboard strip to back tack the outside of the arm on. Once the top of the fabric is in place, I use a piece of polyester wadding, which just adds a bit of softness to the outside of the chair. I pin the front edge in place and then I prepare to hand stitch. I hand stitch this front edge because of the shape of the arm. Hand stitching anything can take a bit of time. Whilst I'm hand stitching, I'm checking to make sure the fabric stays straight and in line. So I'm stitching the outside of the fabric to the piping and through to the arm. I also use a curved needle, which helps with those awkward angles. Once the stitching is done, I can then fix and finish with staples the bottom of the fabric. And there you go, that's how I do the outside of the arm.
People ask me all the time, hey Clinton, how do you disinfect your used furniture so you don't get COVID-19? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. First, put your upholstered pieces out in the sunlight. Now use the force to procure some spray disinfectant. Look, it kills cold and flu viruses. Next, find your target and select it. Then just start spraying it. Ooh, yeah, shit, yeah. Okay, now the sun is gonna bake that stuff for a little while, okay? Let it do that for like 30 minutes or longer. And then if you want to, I like to mask shame it. Yeah, it's really just, why aren't you wearing one? Now it's ready for the test. I like to turn it around and sit in it like this. You do you. Thanks for watching, guys.